Hello, it is Friday. So I have spent this morning just editing together the tortoise shell fur tutorial, so it's ready for posting. It's currently, it's finished, it's just finished exporting, so now I just need to compress it a little bit so that I can upload it to Vimeo and then upload it for upload it for posting to the Puffin website and to Patreon, ready for the 6th, because that's the day that it's scheduled to go out, is the 6th. So that video is done. Yeah, I have just spent a little while trying to look for my brush and pencil titanium white mixture. I've got the touch-up texture bottle thing. For the life of me, cannot find the titanium white actual powder. I think James has played with it and put it somewhere. Where that is, I have absolutely no idea. So I had a review, or like a demo of that, going up on Sunday for Vlogmas, but I can't do that now. So now I need to find another video to do for Sunday instead. I'm trying to think of what people have asked me about, so I might try and do the finesse blender pen, because I like the finesse blender pens. I might do a little demo piece on that. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that rather than the brush and pencil, because I just looked on Jackson's Art Supplies, who supply it, and they don't have any until the 22nd of January. So either I've got to like just tear everything apart searching for this titanium white stuff, or I can just switch up and do the blender pen. So I might just do the blender pen, because a lot of people ask me about what to use for blender. I like Zest It, but I also like the finesse blender pen. So I think I'll do that instead, because it just saves a lot of time and hassle, and then I can just do that before my live stream today, because I've got a live Q&A and critique session scheduled for Puffins and everything on Patreon and everything today. This camera is really wonky, sorry about the weird angle. There we go. So yeah, I've got that to do. I need to brush my hair at some point. I just kind of rolled out of bed, got dressed, took James to play school, and then I just chucked a hat over the top of my hair, and then he just had these bits. It didn't look so bad, but now taking the hat off and just kind of looking at myself, I'm like, oh, not very presentable, but hey ho. Yeah, so in other things to do today, got a couple orders, a couple Etsy orders, sold a print on Etsy, so I've got to package that up. Yeah, there's not really much else that I'm going to be doing today, apart from a little bit of a finesse blender pen thing. So let's get to work. Look at my eyebrows. What you doing? Say hi, Simon.
Hi. Is there going to be what, like wordage behind my mouth?
No, you're fine.
Because I look like an idiot.
No, you don't.
I do.
The camera doesn't like to focus on you. Are you a ghost?
There is a possibility I don't exist.
Yeah.
In an infinite universe, there must be a universe where I don't exist.
Okay, I'm stopping now. It is Sunday. I think it's the 6th of, I was going to say October. I'm still thinking that we're in like October time. It's December. Sorry if you can hear any residual noise. We, obviously it's the weekend. James isn't at play school or anything, so he is at home making a lot of noise. So, today I have to edit some YouTube videos because I didn't do it yesterday because I was lazy and I just had the day off and did absolutely nothing apart from going to the gym, which was so much fun. So yeah, one thing that did arrive in the post was my new planner. I think at the beginning of this year I showed you guys that I had a planner, which was this one. Oh god, if I move this, all of the paper that I've got stored beside it's just going to fall down the side of the thing. So I got this one last year, and this year I had the same one. It's just slightly smaller and obviously different design. So I spent a little bit of time last night going through and just planning a few bits. I might plan a little bit today as well, which I'll most likely show you guys. I'll probably plan throughout the week as well, get this bad boy out and do some planning. But I like this one a lot better this year because it's actually got like, oh my god, I'm the worst person to present stuff. Ow! It's got these month tabs all the way down it, which the other one didn't have. I actually like fashioned my own bookmark in the other one, but this one has like its own little tab so you can easily find the months and stuff, so that I'm really enjoying. I've just sort of kind of done the like 2020 plan. Like you analyse like your sales, what went well, what didn't go well, that kind of stuff. So I've just kind of done that like kind of roughly, and I need to go through and analyse like all of the sales properly and work out the figures and everything for the year. Obviously I can't do that until like more towards the end of December, because I've still got all of December to push some sales and stuff. But yeah, basically I'm just going to plan my whole year in advance, and then I know exactly what I'm doing and what I'm working on and when, and then I can just schedule a whole load of posts ready throughout the year and newsletters, and just start to become better than I was this year. Because this year, let's face it, everybody, it was a little bit shit. Let's not beat about the bush. I think everybody's feeling the same. Like, nobody had very much motivation. Like the latter half of the year, now that we kind of know how to deal with all of this like change in stuff. I mean, it wasn't much of a change for me, but it was a change in like not being able to go places, and you can't see your friends, and you have to do this and stand this far apart. It's just a whole lot to process when you're used to having like autonomy to do whatever the hell you like. So now I think that everybody's kind of used to everything and getting into the groove that this is kind of our new normal. I think now, especially for me at least, that productivity has just increased, and also I'm just back on track like mentally. I don't know, like throughout the beginning of the year, obviously my mental health wasn't fantastic, and then even like towards July, August time, it wasn't fantastic either. But now that I have just kind of processed a lot of stuff and thought about things, yeah, I'm feeling a lot better mentally, and that's kind of carrying over into business and just getting a little bit more clarity as to what we're working towards and stuff. Yeah. Oh, that took a little bit of a down note. Anyway, yeah, I need to edit together the Blender pen review / demo for today, so that's my priority this morning. There's a vlog that needs to be edited for tomorrow, which is what this will be, but I'm going to add in some footage and stuff, and then I might not even edit that until tomorrow anyway, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I'm going to crack on with doing some stuff.